Friends, English is a very interesting language. There are so many words which sound similar to each other. Their pronunciation is almost similar to one another. So in this video, I'm trying to delve deep into these words which almost sound similar to one another, also known as homophones, and try to learn their correct pronunciation. Friends, welcome back to yet another episode on my channel. Let's overcome the fear of spoken English through this channel. Let's start the video. Tell, thigh, thigh, sail, sail, sink, sink, wrap, wrap, rain, rain, road, road, pray, pray, there, there, scent, scent, seam, seam, sweet, sweet. All these words sound similar to one another. I hope this video was useful. Try to learn the correct pronunciation of these words and improve your confidence and personality through spoken English. Overcome the fear of spoken English through my channel. Follow me and subscribe me, and do watch other English speaking videos on my channel which are up there on my English speaking playlist. Thanks very much for watching.